Hello, children. Good morning, children. Children, sit straight in your chairs. Don't move your hands and legs. Join your hands. Let's start the prayer. शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णशुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्. Dear children, welcome to today's English grammar class. Today's date is 27/1/2021. Day is Wednesday. We are dealing with chapter 8 from English grammar. That is action words. Please open page number 49. Let us do exercise B from page number 49. Look at this exercise, children. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay? Can you see these blanks here? All these are blanks. So fill in the blanks. With what? Using action words. Where are the action words? From the box. This is the box. Okay, this is the box. And action words. There are some action words in these boxes. What should we do? Fill in the blanks. We need to read each and every sentence and we need to choose the right word from the box and we need to fill up the blank. Okay. Now let's start. First one. Mr. Bose dash us English. Mr. Bose dash us English. Okay. Let me first read out the words given in the box. Writes. Mr. Bose writes us English. Burst. Belong. Teaches. Teaches. Mr. Bose teaches us English. Yes. Teaches is the right answer. Mr. Bose teaches us English. So tick the right answer and write the answer here. Teaches. T-E-A-C-H-E-S. Teaches. Mr. Bose teaches us English. Second one. They dash into laughter. They dash into laughter. Right? No. You know what is laughter? Laughter is laughing. Laughing suddenly. Okay? Laughter. Laughter is just laughing. Laughing children. So they dash into laughter. Right? No. Burst? Yes. Burst. I will explain you why should we write burst here. Tick the right answer burst and write here burst. They burst into laughter. Burst. B-U-R-S-T. Burst. Okay. Do you know what is the meaning of burst here? They burst into laughter. It means suddenly start to laugh. Okay. You're listening to something very seriously and suddenly you start to laugh. Okay. So that sudden laughing is burst into laughter. And if somebody suddenly starts to cry, then we say burst into cry. Okay. It means suddenly start to cry. So we can say burst into laughter, burst into tears. Okay, we call it burst into tears. If somebody starts crying suddenly, we say burst into tears. This is burst into laughter. Then third one, the hawker dash carpets. Hawker, the hawker dash carpets. First you should know the meaning of hawker. What is the meaning of hawker? Hawker is a person who sells some things on the road. Okay, a person who sells things on the road is a hawker. So the hawker dash carpets. The hawker writes no, belong no, ties no, stands no, sells. Okay, the hawker sells carpets. sells, sells. The hawker sells carpets. Number 4. The books dash to her. The books dash to her. The books writes to her. No. Belong to her. Yes. The books belong to her. The books belong to her. Okay. So belong is the right answer. BELONG. Belong. Okay. The books belong to her. Let me write. BELONG. Belong. Okay. The books belong to her. It means those books are hers, not ours, not mine. These books belong to her. It means books are hers. Then, 5th one. The shops dash at 9 p.m. The shops writes no, ties no, stands no, close. The shops close at 9 p.m. CLOSE. Close. The shops close at 9 p.m. 6th one. The boy dash on the bridge. The boy dash on the bridge. The boy stands. The boy stands on the bridge. Okay. We can't write the boy rides on the bridge. We cannot write the boy ties on the bridge. So this is a suitable answer. The boy stands on the bridge. The boy stands. STANDS. Stands on the bridge. 7th one. Rohan dash a letter to his grandmother. Rohan dash a letter to his grandmother. Rohan writes. Okay. Writes. Rohan writes a letter to his grandmother. WRITES writes. Rohan writes a letter. WRITES writes a letter to his grandmother. WRITES. Rohan writes a letter to his grandmother. Last one. My brother dash his shoelaces on his own. My brother dash his shoelaces on his own. Ties. We are left with just one option and this is the right option. My brother ties. 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 My brother ties his shoelaces on his own. Okay, children. So let us once again read all these sentences because we have filled up the blanks. So let us read them all. Mr. Bose teaches us English. Perfect. They burst into laughter. Suddenly they started to laugh. So they burst into laughter. The hawker sells carpets. Hawker is a person who sells things on the road. So the hawker sells carpets. The books belong to her. The books belong to her. The shops close at 9 p.m. The boy stands on the bridge. Rohan writes a letter to his grandmother. My brother ties his shoelaces on his own. Perfect. So children, please finish this exercise on page number 49 in your grammar textbook. That's all for today. See you again in EVS class. Happy learning. Tata. Bye-bye.